So why is a value glide workshop so valuable to organizations? Because the workshop is not about a book or about a set curriculum. It is about benefiting from the combined knowledge and skills and expertise that exist in Value Glide, learning from the mistakes we've made, learning from all the different client engagements that we have had in different verticals, and bringing all of that to bear to create an environment and a workshop that is targeted at your need and delivers the benefits that you need. Now, the workshop will be designed and co-created with you and will involve, and it may involve, the appropriate level of training, consulting, and mentoring. So we will blend that in to ensure that the value that is required is delivered to you, and you leave the workshop with skills that you apply straight away. Now, the format of these workshops, again, they are flexible, they're context sensitive, and depend on your needs. They could be a half-day workshop. They could be a series of workshops, because some of the things you may need a series of workshops. In other words, a bit of, let's reset what we're doing. This is what you should be doing. Go practice, and let's come together and we'll check. So it's about, this is what you should do. Go do and become and review and see what you've learned and what the next things are. So those are the kind of things that we can do. So the workshops could be a series of workshops. It could be a one-off, and it will bring in all the skills, knowledge, and expertise that we have into that to give you the maximum benefit that is possible. So that's why, again, a workshop from Value Glide will give you the value that you need. And I can give you a guarantee that your investment in the workshop is going to be paid off, but the gains that you have, the skills that you get, and the improvements that you can apply to your work after the workshop.